Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. I am your Brahmanan sir. In this session, I will clarify you that is exercise problems as well as homework questions or problems. Okay. Move to the first question which I was given as homework, that is find any three rational numbers between -3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Okay, -3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Good morning, Kalavati Namni and Rajeshwar. Very good morning. Let's solve this. Okay, this is the number line and minus will be this side. Okay, and -3 by 2 is here and 5 by 3 is here. Okay, now we have to find the rational numbers between -3 by 2 as well as 5 by 3. How many rational numbers we have to find? 3. Okay, first this one and second this one and as usual third this one. Okay, and this question will be solved by method 2, isn't it, which I have given, that is please solve this question by second method. What is the second method? That is taking a mean. What is the second method we have? That is taking a mean or a average. Okay, what is the average formula we have? That is 1 by 2 into a plus b, or we can write it as a plus b divided by 2. Okay, this is the formula for finding mean or a average. Okay, then we have a is equal to here -3 by 2 and b is equal to we have 5 by 3. And what's the formula for mean, finding a mean? That is we have 1 by 2 into a plus b, isn't it? Yes. Substitute this a and b value in equation. Let's see. 1 by 2 as usual. Okay. Then -3 by 2 is a plus 5 by 3 is b. Okay. Just I have substituted the values here. Then continue it. 1 by 2 as usual. Then take the LCM of -3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Yes, that is simple tricks we have, that is 3 2s are 6, that is 3 2s are 6, and we have to cross multiply, that is 3 3s are 9. Which 9? -9, because plus into minus is minus. That's why we have -9 and plus as usual here. Then 2 5s are 10 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, then continue for, that is 1 by 2 as usual. See here, -9 plus 10. I will write it here. Plus 10 and -9. Is it? That is -9 is below and plus 10 is upside. Okay. See, plus 10 -9 is equal to, here both the signs are different. That's why I have to subtract. Then what is the answer? 1. Which one? Plus 1. Are you getting my point? This is a simple steps. Then -9 plus 10 is equal to 1 and divided by 6. See here. This bracket indicates us to multiplication, isn't it? Then we have to multiply numerator to numerator as well as denominator to denominator. What we will get? That is 1 1s are 1 and 6 2s are 12. This 1 by 12 is the first rational number, or one first rational number between -3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Just because I will write it here, only 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is there. Okay, then we have to find these two between -3 by 2 as well as 1 by 2 and 5 by 3 and 1 by 12. Okay. Yes, very good morning, and try to solve the questions and try to give the answers. Okay, then now you have to find, that is the rational number between -3 by 2 as well as 1 by 12. Send me the answer quickly. Let's see. Yeah. And next we have that is A is equal to minus 3 by 2 and B is equal to 1 by 12. Why? Because we have to find the three rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 as well as 5 by 3. So first we have found that is 1 by 12. So between 3 minus 3 by 2 as well as 1 by 12, we have to find the another one rational number. Okay, let's see. A is equal to minus 3 by 2 and B is equal to 1 by 12. And what is the formula we have? That is 1 by 2 A plus B. 1 by 2 into A plus B. Yeah. Then find this. A is minus 3 by 2 plus B is 1 by 12. Then what we have to do? We have to take the LCM. See here, 1 by 2 as it is, 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24. Then see here, 12 3s are, 12 3s are, what is that? 12 3s are? Yes, that is 36. Which 36? Minus 36. Why, sir? Because we are multiplying plus into minus. That's why we'll get minus 36. Concentrate here. Okay? 12 2s are 24. Then 12 3s are what we have. That is minus 36. Then again we have to multiply 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Because plus into plus is plus only. That's why minus 36 plus 12. Then what is the value of minus 36 plus 12? Sorry, plus 2. Minus 36 plus 2. What is the answer? Yes, very good morning. Try to give the answers. Okay? Yeah. Then what is the value here we have? That is minus 36 plus 2. That is 34. Why, sir? Because here both the signs are different, but we don't have that is plus 34. We will get minus 34. Why? Because larger number sign is negative. That's why we have to take minus 34. See here, I will substitute here 1 by 2 as usual or as it is. Then minus 36 plus 2, that is minus 34 divided by 24. Okay, then solve it. See here, we have that is 2 here. Otherwise, I will solve you so simply. That is minus 31, minus 34 into 1, minus 34 only. Okay, and 24 twos are. We have to multiply numerator to numerator as well as denominator to denominator. That is 24 twos are 48. 48. And again, we have to simplify this one. So see, 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. Isn't it? That is minus is here and minus is here. 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. Then see here, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4 and 2 fours are 8. What is the answer now we have? That is minus 17 by 24. Minus 17 by 24. Again, it can't be simplified, right? Isn't it? That's why minus 17 by 24 is the rational number between minus 3 by 2 as well as 1 by 2. Now write it here. Minus 17 by 24. Okay, very good. Bharat Kumar, Bharat Raichur. Yes, Prakash. Very good, very good. Many of them are sending correct answer. I will appreciate them. Yes, Rangaswamy Pujari, 34 minus 34. Yes, we have to simplify. Suppose we simplify simplify madri. So this value will be in a point, decimal that bartata. That's why we have to leave that one. Okay? Yeah. Then again, one we have to find the rational number between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. Sir, where we have to find? That is between 1 by 12 and 5 by 3. Sir, no bad. Sir, I will find between minus 3 by 2 and minus 22, 17 by 24. Madbodri. Okay, sir, between minus 17 by 24 between and 1 by 12, you can. Isn't it? But it is simple to take, that is, you will understand that is 1 by 2 between 1 by 12 and as usual 5 by 3. Okay, let's check. Very good. Prakash. Yes, suppose Here I will take A as 1 by 12 and B as 5 by 3. Between 1 by 12 and 5 by 3. See, let's find it. Tell me the answer. Between 1 by 12 and 5 by 3. Yeah. What's the formula we have? That is very good. Kalavati Navani, 7 by 8. Let's see whether that is correct or not. Okay. What's the formula we have? That is 1 by 2 into A plus B. Substitute these values here. That is 1 by 2 as it is. And A value is 1 by 12. And plus B value we have, that is 5 by 3. Okay. Then again solve it. That is 1 by 2 as it is. Then what we have to do here? That is we have to take the LCM. Simple steps we have, that is 12 3s are 36 we have. Okay. 12 3s are 36. Then we have to cross multiply. That is 3 1s are 3 plus 12 5s are 12 5s are Prakash and Gulz from Bhavani P. Okay, it's okay. Yes, now tell me. That is 12 5s are? That is we are cross multiplying. 12 3s are 36, 3 1s are 3 and 12 5s are 60. Very good, Sharat Kumar. That is 60. Okay, very good. Then again we have to solve, that is as it is 1 by 2 is here and 60 plus 3, simple, we have 63 divided by 36, isn't it? Then next step what we have? Bharat Raichur 65. Let's check it once. Okay, that's wrong. Then we have to multiply numerator to numerator as well as denominator to denominator. What we will get? 63 into 1, 63 only. And 36 2s are 36 2s are. What is the answer? 72. Yes, that is 72. Okay, now we have to check whether this may be simplified to next step or not. Let's check. That is, it is divisible by 3 easily, isn't it? Easily divisible ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ 3 ಗಿಂತ 3 tables ಒಳಗೆ. Let's see. Okay, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 1s are 3. Isn't it? Then 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12. Okay, then what we will get? That is 21 by 24. Let's check. Sir, step barabidama. Sir, it's okay, but it can be simplified to the next step also. Okay, then matta simplify ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Let's see whether this 21 and 24 will be easily divisible by third table. That is 3 7s are, isn't it pakka? 3 7s are 21 and 3 8s are 24. Then what is the answer we have? That is 7 by 8. Isn't it? 7 by 8. And 7 by 8 is the rational number between 1 by 12 and 5 by 3. And we have concluded that minus 3 by 2, between minus 3 by 2 as well as 5 by 3, we have found that is 3 rational numbers. That is minus 17 by 24 and 1 by 12, as usual 7 by 8. Very good, very good. Rangaswamy, Prakash. Yes, 7 by 8 is the correct answer. Vijay, Vani Kulkarni, very good. Thank you. Okay, let's move to the next problem. Or no, it's not a problem, it's a question. Okay. I think doing in a first method it is easy, but in doing with taking mean, and that will be somewhat different and somewhat difficult, isn't it? Yeah, it's okay. You have to learn. And next question we have, that is represent these numbers. Represent these numbers on the number line. What are the numbers? Let's see. First one we have 7/4, and second one we have, what is that? -5/6. 5/6. Okay, we have to represent these numbers. What is that? 7/4 and -5/6 on the number line. Okay, let's check or let's find it. Here, first what we have to see, that is here, that is numerator is greater than denominator. That is numerator is greater than denominator. See, 7 is greater than 4. Okay, by doing numerator is greater than denominator, what we have to do? It has to be converted to mixed fraction, isn't it? It has to be converted to the mixed fraction. How it is? See here, 7 is here, 4 is here. Okay, first videos nagella helidnalli. Okay, memorize these all things. Then first we have to convert this into the mixed fraction. How we have to find out, or how we have to convert this? That is 4 is here and 7. Divide 7/4. Okay, 4 ones are 4, and 4 to the 8 we can take, but it is lesser number. Okay. Then 7 minus 4 we have 3. Okay. See here we have the code or represent the mixed fraction in QRD. Coefficient, remainder, and divisor. Let's see. Coefficient is this one, and remainder is this one, and divisor is this one. Clear? Then 1 and remainder is 3 and divisor is 4. Okay, 1 and 3/4, and this may be equal to the 7/4. Let's see, that is 4 as a 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7/4. This equal agtadri? Yes sir, sure. This will be equal to the 7/4. Then we have to represent this number, that is 1 and 3/4 on the number line. See, this is the number line. Okay, see. 0, 1, and this is 2. Next you will get the answer. See here, the coefficient indicates us that is this number, or a 7/4 will lies between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2. One more time, this coefficient will indicates us that it starts from 1. Okay, it lies between 1 as well as 2, between 1 and 2. Are you getting my point? That is coefficient elinta start agtadri sir. Sir, that is between start ninta 1 ninta start agi. That is because here is 1 and it starts from 1 and ends with 2. And we will conclude that is this 7/4 will be lies between 1 and 2. Okay, distributed bakery, we have to concentrate only on 1 and 2. Okay, then see here 3/4. 4 is the denominator. The denominator indicates us what's that? The number of equal parts. The number of equal parts between 1 and 2. Okay, see how many equal parts we have to make, that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Equal parts are three. First part, second part, third part, fourth part. 4 equal parts are. Oh, the numerator will indicate us that is the number of jumps from the starting point. Starting point. Okay, number of jumps. How much we have to jump? 3. Sir, we have to jump 3. See here, 1, 2, and 3. And this point we have, that is, this indicates what? That is 7/4. This third point will indicate us that is 7/4. Sir, yeah, sir, 3/4 barikistala. Sir, simply this 1 and 3/4. is equal to the 7 by 4. That's why we have to indicate that is 7 by 4 is indicated here. Okay? Pakka? Yes, Shashank. Correct answer. Okay, Rajeshwari. Okay, this is the solution for when the numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, yes. And next one we have, that is if numerator is smaller than denominator. That is numerator is smaller than denominator. It is very simple, because if the numerator is smaller than denominator, we have to indicate that is these numbers will be lies between 0 and 1. These numbers that lies between 0 and 1. See, one more concentrate here, that is these lies between 0 and 1, and this is minus 1. Okay, see here, concentrate here, that is if it is 5 by 6, if it is 5 by 6, okay, then we have to these numbers will be lies between 0 and positive 1. Okay, suppose this number is in negative, this numbers will lies between 0 and minus 1. Are you getting my point? Either minus this will lies between 0 and minus 1. Okay, yes, simple. Then denominator will indicate that is equal parts. That is how many equal parts we have to make. So I will extend this one. Okay, this denominator indicates that is equal parts, that is 6 equal parts. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this must be equal because last time I am just roughly draw madligatini. Okay, how many equal parts we have to make here? That is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Done? Yeah. Then minus 5. Okay, minus 5 minus bit. Okay, 5 indicates, that is numerator will indicate jumps from starting point. Starting point is 0, and how much numbers or how many jumps we have to do? That is 5. See here, 1 2 3 4 5. This line indicates what? That is minus 5 by 6. Okay, clear? Yes, 6 equal parts. Yes, very good. Many of them are giving correct answer, and I will appreciate them. Very good. Okay, this minus 5 by 6 is indicated here on the number line. Okay, take a screenshot of this and move to the next question we have, that is represent these numbers as you will see here. Same question Adrik, but different numbers. Yeah. Represent these numbers on the number line. What are those numbers? Let's see. This first one we have minus 2 by 11, and second one we have minus 5 by 11, and third one we have minus 9 by 11. Okay, represent these on the number line. I will explain these all numbers in only one number line. Okay, concentrate here. See here, this is the number line. Okay, see. First of all, we have to consider, that is whether these numbers are common. That is, let's see, minus is common. First thing is minus is common, and as well as here, all the numbers are, that is numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. First thing is all are negative. Yellow to negative over. Then these all numbers are having, that is numerator is smaller than denominator. Then we can easily say that is these numbers exist or lies between 0 and minus 1. If it is positive and numerator is smaller than denominator, then these numbers will lies between 0 as well as positive 1. Here, these numbers are negative. That's why these numbers are lies between 0 and -1. Sir, sir, this point is very important for us. Okay? Yeah. And we can easily say that these three numbers will be lies between 0 and -1. Okay? Because these are negative as well as numerator is smaller than denominator. How many, and one more common thing it is, denominator is same. See, one more common thing we have, that is denominator is same. Okay, and denominator indicates us that is equal parts. Very good. 11 equal parts. Very good. Kalavati now. It is 11 equal parts we have to make here. That is, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, solve for some other color 11th. It's solved. See one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pakka? Clear? Numbers are just you have to make equal parts. Assume that these are equal parts. Okay? 11 equal parts. First number we have, that is 2. Leave that is negative because negative is here. First question we have, that is 2. How many jumps we have to jump? That is 2 from starting point. See here. 1, 2. And this will indicate us that is minus 2 by 11. Are you getting my point? This is very easy and very clear. See, first part another 2. Okay? We have to make 2 jumps. One first and second. And this will indicate us that is minus 2 by 11. Okay? Next problem we have, that is numerator is 5. And we have to make 5 jumps. From starting point, not from here. From starting point, from 0 nilta. Okay? From 0 nil. See here, because 0 nilta accurate, sir. Because these numbers are lies between 0 and -1. And here the starting point is 0. Okay? Suppose the numbers will lies between 1 and 2. Then the starting point is 1. Are you getting my point? Yeah. Then 5 jumps. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This will indicate us that is minus 5 by 11. Is it? Yeah. Then third one we have minus 9 by 11. Then that is denominator is equal parts and numerator we have 9. And we have to make 9 jumps. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. See. This will indicate us that is 9 minus 9 by 11. And this is minus 10 by 11. And this is minus 11 by 11. And minus 11 by 11 indicates 11 also 11 on that. Which one? It is minus 1. Are you clear? See, one more. You know the hint code. This is minus 2 by 11. 3 minus 3 by 11. Minus 4 by 11. Minus 5 by 11. Minus 6 by 11. Minus 7 by 11. Minus 8 by 11. Minus 9 by 11 is correct. Minus 10 by 11 we have here. Because it is minus 1. Here is minus 1. We can write it, that is after minus 10 it will comes to minus 11 by 11. Okay? 11 is that, 11 is 1 is that, but minus 1. We have minus 1 here. Okay? See, from E kade nodam sir one sarti test madona. Here is minus 1 by 11. Minus 1 by 11. And we can say that before that is minus 0 by 11. Minus 0 by 11. Isn't it? 0 is neither be negative nor be positive. And 0 by 11. Calculator na koddu nodri. 0 by 11 is 0. And we have that is 0 to minus 1 is correct answer. Check madkobodri now. Illinda illige correct madidve. Take a screenshot. Very good. Many of them are active. Yeah. Then next question we have, that is, yeah. Let's move to the next question. If any confusion or any doubts, ask me in the live chat or in the comment section. See, one more thing, ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಚ್ಕೋದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಚ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದ್ರಿ, ದೆನ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಚ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಾಚಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎನಿ 10 rational numbers between find any 10 rational numbers between, that is, yeah, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Sir, first method ಇಂತಾನೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ sir, because second method ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 10 find out ಮಾಡೋಟಿಗೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ, isn't it? That's why by first method I will do this one. And what is the first method we have? Make sure, first step, that is make sure, that is I have to do the denominator should be same. First step we have, that is denominator should be same. Yes, denominator should be same. And we have the question, that is solution minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Whether these two denominators are same? No, sir. Yeah, denominators are different. Then make sure these are first ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, denominators ಅನ್ನ equal ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How sir? Simple method we have, that is multiplying and dividing opposite number or opposite number denominator. Multiply and divide by opposite number denominator. What is the denominator we have? 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Okay, see, 2 2s are 4. Which 4? Minus 4. Minus into plus minus 4. And 5 2s are 10. Yeah, then 1 by 2. See here, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೇಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How sir? Multiply and divide. Multiply both the sides, okay, both denominator as well as numerator, that is by 5. Why sir? Opposite number is minus 2 by 5. And we have the denominator 5. That is 5. Yeah, very good. 5 by 10. That is 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Isn't it? Yeah. This minus 4 by 10, between minus 4 by 10 as usual 5 by 10, we have to find out how many rational numbers? 10 rational numbers. 10 rational numbers ಆಗ್ತವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ, between minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. That is minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0 by 10, or that may be 0, and 1 by 10, 2 by 10, and 3 by 10, and 4 by 10. Only 8 are. Inna eradu illi tartiri. So that's why what we have to do? This minus 4 by 10 is multiplied and divided by 10. Yeah, sir, because between minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10 we will not get 10 rational numbers. That's why we are multiplying 10 and dividing 10. Sir, sir, it will give the same answer, that is 10 ones are 10 ones are. What is the answer? 4 by 10, minus 4 by 10. Okay, and minus 4 by 10 is equal to the minus 2 by 5. Henry sir, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Minus 2 by 5. Yalla same hai, but we are multiplying and dividing, isn't it? See here, we will not get between minus 4 by 10 as usual 5 by 10, that is 10 rational numbers. That's why we are multiplying and dividing 10. What we will get? 4 times are 40 minus 40, then 10 times are 100. Okay, then between 5 and 10 we have to make sure that is denominator should be same. See here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಆದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಆದ. ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು multiply and divide 10, that is 5 by 10 into 10 divided by 10, that is 50 by 100, that is 50 by 100. Between minus 40 by 100 and 50 by 100 we have to write any 10 rational numbers. Mansi bandu baridiva, that is minus 39 by 100 minus 38 by 100, minus 37 by 100. Subtract positive number 10 by 100. Okay, the denominator should be same here, and numerator should be increased from minus 40 to 50. In this problem, you have to write 10 rational numbers. Okay, that is 40 by 100, 41 by 100, and 42 by 100, and 43 by 100. We have to write that is 10 rational numbers between minus 40 by 100 as usual 50 by 100. And these 10 rational numbers we indicated, that is these numbers are lies between, or these rational numbers are comes between, or comes under minus 2 by 5 as usual 1 by 2. Clear? Okay, clear. Yes, Rajeshwari, correct answer. Yeah, very good. Prakash, that is minus 40 by 100. Okay, it's not 40 by 100. It should be minus. Why sir minus? Because he has given that is minus 2 by 5. Here is minus and multiplied by 4, that is minus 4 by, and here also that is, yeah, it's so. And next question we have. Find any 10 rational numbers between, and this one I will give you homework. Okay, then another homework. Find any 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. 3 by 5 and 3 by 4, and this will be the homework for you. Okay, first step you have to make sure that is denominator should be same, and afterwards between those things we have to get 10 rational numbers. And one more example we have, that is find the rational numbers between, find the rational numbers, find the rational number greater than minus 5. Okay, ಈ question ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a related question in the previous video ದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇರಿ. Just see it is, find the rational numbers greater than minus 5. Find the any 5. Okay, find any 5 rational numbers. Find any 5 rational numbers greater than minus 5. Minus 5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದು ನಾವು rational numbers ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Let's give the answer. Who will give the answer? Let's see. Okay, minus 4. See, Bharat Kumar, minus 4 is not a rational number. Yeah, minus 5 by 1 rational number. It's okay. We have to find that is between minus 5. See, that should be greater than minus 5. Okay, that should be greater than minus 5. See, I will give you one hint, that is minus 5 can be written as, or it can be converted to the minus 50 by 10. Sir, you ಏನನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಕತ್ತೀರಿ sir? No sir, just 50 by 10. See here, that is 10 ones are 10 5s. Minus is here, then we will get minus 5. Sir, 50 by 10 ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ sir? Sir, ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ sir, minus 500 by 10 100 ತಗೋತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನಾನು. आपका मर्जी, that is 100 ones are 100 5 minus 5. Isn't it? Yes. One hint is here. That is what we have. Minus 50 by 10. Prakash, that is 50 minus 51 minus 25 by 100. That will be minus 1 by 4. That should be minus 5. That must be equal to the minus 5. See here, minus 50 by 10 is equal to the minus 5. See here, 10 ones are 10 5s are like that. So we have to write greater numbers. That should be greater than minus 5. See here, minus this one, minus 5 is equal to the minus 50 by 10. Isn't it? Then we have to write that is this minus 5 by 10. Okay? Yeah. Minus 25 by 5. Minus 25 by 5. 25 by 5. Yeah, very good. 5 5. Very good. Yeah. Sharat Kumar, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಇವಾಗ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಇವಾಗ minus 25 to 5 by 5 ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು because he has asked that is these find any rational numbers greater than minus 5 ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದು ಬರಬೇಕು minus 5 rational numbers. Okay, that is minus 20 by minus 24 by 5. Whether this is greater than 25 by 5. Sharat Kumar. Rangaswamy, see here, minus 40 by 10. Minus 40 by 10. See here, what will happen? 10 ones are 10 fours are minus 4. This minus 5 is not equal to minus 4. Is it? Kalavati Navani. See here, minus 6 by 30 is there. Okay? 6 ones are 6 5s are. It will become minus 1 by 5. Are you getting my point? Kalavati, see here, minus 6 by 30, it will becomes to minus 1 by 5. But we have that is minus 5. Sir, ulta mari. That is 30 by minus 30 by 6. Isn't it? 6 ones are 6 5s are 30. That is minus 5. Yes, minus 24 by 10 is greater than 5, minus 5. Then how many he has asked? That is 5. 5 numbers buried. That is minus 23 by 5, minus 22 by 5. Isn't it? Hanki barkot ho gayi. That is minus 24 by 5, minus 23 by 5, minus 22 by 5, minus 21 by 5, minus 21 by 5, minus 20 by 5. Isn't it? These numbers will be greater than minus 5. Yes, Kalavati, now you have got that is minus 30 by 6. Minus 30 by 6. Minus 30 by 6 is equal to minus 30 by 6 is equal to minus 1. Why, sir? 6 ones are 6 5. Now we have to write greater than minus 30 by 6. Minus 30 by 6. We have to write the numbers that should be greater than minus 30 by 6. Let's check that is minus 29 by 6. Pakka, that is minus 29 is greater than minus 30. Yeah, then minus 28 by 6. Yes, sir. Is the answer 5. Yes, ask it 5. Minus 27 by 6. Minus 27 by 6. Sorry, minus 26 by 6. And minus 25 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bus. Upon ko itna bus. Yes, Kalavati Navani. Minus 35 by 7. Very good. That must be equal to the minus 5. Yes, Vijay. Minus 27 by 6. Yeah, that must be equal to, that must be greater than minus 5. Yeah, very good. Minus 60 by 6. See here, Rangaswamy. One more time. Minus 60 by 6 is there. Sorry, minus 60 by 6 is there. Okay? 6 ones are 6 times are. And we don't have minus 10 here. We have minus 5. We have here that is minus 5. Minus 23 by 6. Okay, that must be that must be greater than minus 5. Okay, again I will solve by minus that. Okay, see here, minus 50 by 10. Okay, we have to write greater than minus 50 by 10. That is, I will write it minus 49 by 10, minus 48 by 10, and minus 47 by 10, and minus 46 by 10, and minus 45 by 10. See here, minus 49 is greater than minus 50, and this one will be greater than this, and like that. These are the greater numbers which are which is greater than minus 50 by 10, because minus 50 by 10 is equal to minus 5. Then these are the rational numbers which are greater than minus 5. Okay? Yes, very good. Prakash. Minus 28 by 6, minus 27. Very good, very good. Yeah, it takes more time. Yeah, minus 44 by 10. Yeah, it may be. But he has asked only 5. Yaudana 5 by 10. So, I will write minus 33 by 10. Because minus 33 is greater than minus 50. Isn't it? We have to concentrate on denominator. See, here all the denominators are same. Matta ನೀವು sir minus 49 by 100 bardare because here is 100 but here we have only 10. Okay, we have to concentrate on denominator. Denominator should be same and these numbers will be increased. Okay, by this I will stop my this session. Okay, I'll conclude my this session by this only, and tomorrow, not only tomorrow. Okay, I will inform you in a WhatsApp number. Okay, up to that, be happy and stay at home. Bye. If any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Okay, sir. Bye.